Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna discuss how to get an IELTS slots and which are the locations that IELTS slots are available and what are the types of IELTS you can write and what is IELTS overall. So these are the informations we are going to discuss in this video. Please do like my videos and subscribe my channel, hit the bell button and share this video for the people who are looking for this IELTS or migrate to Canada, Germany or New Zealand, Australia, UK. For these countries this IELTS is mandatory. Without wasting much time, let us understand what is IELTS. Step by step we'll understand that. In order to book your IELTS, you have to log into IDP IELTS India. It delivers the paper-based IELTS test for types of month for 48 times in a year, and computer deliver IELTS multiple days a week with flexibility to choose your own time slots. Before registering for your IELTS, it is important to figure out how are you most comfortable sitting your test on paper-based or computer-based, that you have to decide. So this video will help you in this regard. And what is the IELTS life skills? IELTS life skill is a test for those who need to prove their English speaking and listening skills to acquire UK visa. And it is available to Common European Framework of reference for language level A1 to B1. It is designed to meet the requirements of AKVI, that is UK visa. For certain visa categories and other immigrations purpose, IELTS life skills A1 if you are applying for a family or of a settled person visa. IELTS life skill B1 level if you are applying for a indefinite leave to remain for a citizenship visa. There is no restrictions on how many times you take the IELTS life skill test. However, if you pass this test once, you will not be able to retake it at the same time level for durations of 2 years. And IELTS fees that you must be knowing very well. Computerized IELTS 15,000, paper based also is 15,500. IELTS for UK visa also 15,750. And life skill fees is 14,600 in Indian basis. And IELTS is for reading, writing, speaking and listening test. So let us understand how to check your availability. There are multiple cities that you have within India. So my city is Bangalore. I just go ahead and check whether there is an availability. See, this is I'm on July 7th, so 16th onwards the academics available. 16th 15,500 rupees, and academics 23 July, and academics you can check, go on checking that. So they are given till the September 3rd in Bangalore. And if you are in Bhopal, 23rd July onwards they are giving academics, and academics and general also is available 23rd July. So till September 3rd they have given. Bhubaneswar again July 23rd to September 3rd, and Kolkata from July 16 onwards to September 3rd they have given. Chandigarh July 16 to September 3rd. Changanur, it's July 16 to September 3. Chennai 16 July 16th to September 22nd. Coimbatore July 16 to September 3rd. Dehradun July 23rd to September 3rd. Firozpur July 23rd to September 3. Gandhinagar 23rd July to September 3 dates are available. Goa Goa only 11th August to September 3rd. It is very less appointments are available. Goa. Gurdapur, July 23rd to September 3rd, 3. Gorgaon, July 16 to September 3. Guwahati, 11th August to September 3rd. Hoshiarpur, that is 23rd July to September 3 again. Hyderabad, 16th July to September 3rd. Indore 2, 23rd July to general training on 3rd September. Jaipur, Jalandharpur, 16th July to September 3. Jammu, 16th July to 3rd September. Kannur, 16th July to 3rd September. Khana, 16th July to September. Kochi, 16th July to 3rd September. Kolkata, same 16th to 3rd September. Kollam, 16th July to 3rd September. So we do have a Kollam, Kottayam, Kurukshetra, Lucknow, Ludhiana, Madurai, Mangalore, Mehsana, Moga, Mumbai South, Mumbai West, Nadia, Nagpur, Nasik, Navi Mumbai. All this place, the appointments are available. If anyone is looking for to book an appointment, you can do it by yourself as per our instructions. Otherwise, you can mail us if you want any help in this regard. Our team will help you in this regard. That's all for the day, friends. Do like my videos and subscribe my channel for more updates. Thank you and have a great day. Bye. Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sumati. Today we are going to discuss IELTS exams. The IELTS English language testing system is an international standard test for English language proficiency for non-native English language speakers. It is jointly managed by the British Council, IDP, IELTS Australia and Cambridge Assessment English, and was established in 1989. And they have 4 different tests, that is reading, writing, speaking and listening. Each carries 10 more points. They do have 2 types of tests, that is in academic and generic. So without wasting much time, let us understand how to book a slot today. And there are different types of IELTS. This is computerized IELTS that you have to write, and if your typing skill is super good, then you can go for computer delivered IELTS. And this is a computer delivered IELTS for UKVI, that is UK visa. It is a basic English, if you know, also sufficient for to apply for this one. And pen and paper based on IELTS, that is for the offline IELTS test, and IELTS for UKVI offline. And life skills, this we have already discussed in our previous class. And let us select any one of this. Academics, if you are going for international for your education purpose, then you can look for academic. If you are going for any job purpose, then you can look for generic training. And cities that we have already discussed, but still for your information: Ahmedabad, that's Amritsar, Batinada, Bangalore, Kasturba Road and St. Mark's Road, and Bangalore Whitefield. Also we have an IDP centers. And Bhopal, MP Nagar, and Chandigarh section 34, Chennai Adayar, and Gurugram, and Hyderabad Bagampet, and Hyderabad Jubilee Hills, Hyderabad Kalakatpalli, Jaipur, Jalandhar, Karnal and Kochi, Ludhiana, Lucknow, Mumbai, Lower Parel, New Delhi, Nehru Palace, New Delhi, Patampura, New Delhi, Rojari Garden, Noida, Pune, Shivajinagar, Surat, Thane, Vijayawada, and Vadodara. These are the places. I'm going to select Bangalore. Bangalore is my city, and St. Mark's Road. I'll just go ahead and book it. In order to book, you have to register. Before registering, you have to select any one of those dates. I just select 28th. This whichever is pink color, dark pink, is a full booked, and the slot is not available, and this one green one is available. Then I just selected 28th, and I just go ahead and book now. These are the rules that you have to follow. There is instructions given. A copy of this terms and conditions are available in candidate when completing the occupations forms. It is important that candidate reads fully, understand the application test and related rules and regulations given here under. So test partners IELTS, jointly owned by the University of Cambridge of English Language Assistant, and test courses centers, that refers to IELTS centers, IDP educations, and they have given the eligibility also. IELTS mode is available worldwide. All persons, general of age, gender, race and nationality, or general, but it is not recommended a person under 16 years of age. And technical issues, your computer delivered IELTS sessions may be cancelled or postponed or short notice to technical issues. These are the important things that you should be known. I'll accept that. You should read that carefully, and then you accept that, and you have to fill all this informations. I'll just go ahead and fill this informations randomly. Passport number, and enter your ID, any random ID. I'll put this random. Yeah, I've selected all this random informations, and it is asking for your ID is incorrect. Just given all this random informations, and let me proceed with this. So again, you have to give all the informations here also. I'll just pause it and fill all these things. So here your passport number and valid date and date of birth, and what is your gender, your full name, and your email ID, phone numbers, and then comes your city, country, state and pin code, country, and first language you have to mention, and occupations, whatever the occupations that you are in. If self-employment or something, you can mention here. There is a drop down always available, and you do not to worry about it. So everywhere the drop down option is there, so you can choose among them. And next is again which country are you applying for, interested to going out. I have selected Canada, and birth purpose I have selected for employment, and then educational qualification they're asking for, whichever is star, red color star is there, that is all mandatory to fill. And how many years of you have been planning to studying, how many years have you been studying in English? More than 9 years. I'll just say and submit. Next comes they'll ask you upload first page of passport copy, and the last page, upload the last page of passport copy with address sample. So I just pause it and upload, because it is a confidential thing, that upload it, and then I'll if you wanted to skip, you can skip it. It goes to next page, but you have to upload it. My suggestion is I'm doing it for just a random purpose, so I have not done that. And next is recognized organizations. If you have any company that you're, which country are you applying to, intending to go, then I'm selecting Canada, and organization, any or through any organizations that you're going. But Alberta. Okay, and then if you want to skip this position also, you can skip it. Next is review whatever the informations that you have filled. You just go ahead and review all your passport informations, your name and your email ID, complete address here, and what purpose you are visiting. If anything is missing, please make sure that, and proceed to pay. So here you can pay. There is a 15,500 rupees. All your information is there, and the timing and slots are open. Bangalore St. Mark's Road. You can select either Visa, Mastercard and wallet, or net banking UPI. Any which way you can make the payment. Now I'm not making the payment. Once you done this, you will get a mail through your email ID, whatever the mail ID that you have given. So pay now, or pay once you have your card is ready. That's all for the day, friends. Do like my videos and subscribe my channel for more updates. Thank you and have a great day. Bye.